South of Nassau, past 365 islands scattered across water, so transparent it barely looks real. Sits a stretch of the Bahamas that has captivated James Bond film crews, colonies of wild animals, and top-tier divers alike. 9 specific locations define the modern Exuma experience. We're covering every single one, from a marine park protecting nearly 17,000 acres of untouched coastline to hidden sea cave straight out of a 1960s spy thriller, to the one legendary cay that ties this entire island chain together. If you're planning a trip or putting together your dream bucket list, these are the 9 extraordinary things you cannot miss in Exuma. Let's dive in. Starting our list at number 9, Pig Beach. Officially known as Big Major Cay, this uninhabited island earns its global fame the moment its feral pigs began swimming out to greet arriving boats. No one knows for certain how they got here. Local legends range from shipwrecked livestock swimming ashore to sailors leaving them behind for a future meal to an intentional tourism setup that simply took on a life of its own. Today, over a dozen pigs, some weighing well over 200 pounds, paddle right out into knee-dipping water expecting food. Arrive early in the morning before 9 a.m. You will beat the massive tour boat crowds coming from Nassau, catch the pigs when they are most active, and avoid the harsh midday sun. Always feed them pitted fruits and toss the food into the water rather than feeding by hand to avoid accidental nips. At number 8 is the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park. Established in 1958, this was the very first marine reserve anywhere in the Caribbean, spanning roughly 176 square miles of pristine reefs, mangrove creeks, and untouched cays. Since 1986, the park has operated as a strict no-take zone, meaning fishing, shelling, and taking marine life of any kind is completely banned inside its boundaries. The result, an environment overflowing with giant grouper, queen conch, and hawksbill turtles in densities you won't see anywhere else in the Bahamas. Make sure to visit Wardrick Wells, the park headquarters, and hike up to Boo Boo Hills for a panoramic view over the ocean currents below. Coming in at number 7, snorkeling and scuba diving across the Exuma chain. Sitting directly above the Western Hemisphere's second largest coral Bear Reef, underwater visibility here routinely exceeds 100 feet. Divers can explore dramatic wardrobes, deep blue holes, and vibrant coral heads packed with marine life. If you want a truly unique encounter, head to the dock at Compass Cay Marina. Here, dozens of wild nurse sharks congregate in the shallow water. They are remarkably docile, allowing swimmers and snorkelers to slide into the water and float alongside them without any barriers. Number 6 takes us to bitter Guana Cay, better known as Iguana Beach. The moment a boat casts its engine near the shore, the white sand comes alive. This island is home to the endangered northern Bahamian rock iguana, a rare species found in only a few spots on the planet, with individual reptiles living up to 6 years in the wild. The dramatic prehistoric seal house against the blinding white sun and electric blue water feel like stepping straight onto a Jurassic Park film set. Remember to keep a respectful distance and avoid touching them to help protect this critically endangered species. At number 5, Cruiser's Beach, located on Stocking Island near Georgetown, reachable only by boat. The stretch of sand is the unofficial social headquarters of the Exumas. Sailors, yacht crews, and day trippers anchor offshore in dinghy inn to gather around legendary driftwood beach setups like chat and chill. Volleyball games run all afternoon. Local cooks slice fresh conch salad to order right at the water's edge, and visitors leave their mark by nailing business cards and boat banners to the wooden beams. It is an iconic stop to grab a cold drink, mingle with travelers from around the world, and soak in the local island vibe. Number 4 is the Sea Aquarium, located near O'Brien's Cay inside the Land and Sea Park. This tiny snorkeling spot fully earns its name. A shallow coral garden concentrated in a small area creates an extraordinary dense habitat for marine life. Without diving deeper than a few feet, you will be surrounded by parrotfish, sergeant majors, anglefish, spiny lobsters, and the occasional reef shark. Because the currents are gentle and the water is shallow, boats often anchor nearby and let swimmers drift naturally over the reef, making it one of the easiest and most rewarding snorkel spots for all skill levels. At number 3 is the world-famous Thunderball Grotto, located just west of Staniel Cay. From the outside, it looks like a simple rock outcrop, but underneath is a hollow limestone cave system made famous by two James Bond films, Thunderball and Never Say Never Again. To get inside, you must swim through a brief submerged entry hall. Once inside, massive shafts of sunlight pierce through sailing openings, illuminating a hidden aquatic cathedral filled with thousands of colorful fish. You must visit drinking slack low tide. At high tide, the entrance is completely submerged, requiring scuba gear or advanced free diving to access. At slack low tide, you can comfortably swim right in with just a snorkel. Number 2 brings us south to Moriah Harbour Cay National Park. Spanning nearly 70,000 acres between Great Exuma and Little Exuma, this park is a breathtaking maze of sandbars, mangrove creeks, and shallow tidal floods. At low tide, massive sandbars emerge from the ocean, creating miles of ankle-deep pathways across bright white sand. Locals and visitors love visit the park's natural lazy river, a clear tidal channel widening through the mangroves where you can simply jump in and let the gentle current carry you along for hundreds of yards. It's one of the most peaceful and undercrowded natural wonders in the Caribbean. And finally, at number 1, Staniel Cay. Every single location on this list orbits this one small island. Located virtually in the middle of the Exuma chain, Staniel Cay serves as the ultimate operational base for exploring the region. Pig Beach is a 5-minute boat ride north. Thunderball Grotto is right across the water to the west. Cay, the Sea Aquarium, and the Land and Sea Park are all within easy afternoon boat trips, with its local airstrip receiving daily flights, its world-famous Staniel Cay Yacht Club, and a charming local community. Staniel Cay is the beating heart of the Exumas and the best starting point for any trip to these islands. From swimming pigs and prehistoric iguanas to secret bone caves and endless sandbars, the Exumas remain one of the most remarkable island chains on the planet. Which of these 9 spots are you visiting first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ultimate travel breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.